A lot of people complain about the accuracy of the temperature gauge on the Can-Ams. It sits inside this big engine compartment, which is all surrounded by plastic. It tends to overread. The temperature is high normally. My engine's often cold at the moment, and it's reading at 54 Fahrenheit here. The outside temperature is actually in the 40s, and in my carport here it's about 49.5 degrees according to this one, which seems to be pretty accurate. And I mounted it. It's very simple to mount. I just took some of that double-sided tape that you can get, like a gel tape, that's a peel off. You can sort of roll it off if you work it. It's not like a solid tape. It's not like a 3M, but it's strong enough to actually hold it up there. As you can see, it's quite firm. And I've taken the wire, I snuck it down between the mirror here, tucked it down inside there, and you can't really see it very well, but that little shiny bit down there is the actual thermistor or sensor. And so it's in a sheltered location behind this piece here, so not too much wind hitting it, and it's got shelter from the sunlight, so it reads, I think, fairly accurately. So if you're looking for a very quick and easy, cheap way of getting an outdoor air temperature as you're riding along, I think this one's hard to miss, really. Go for it. And if you buy it, I'll put the links down below. If you want to use my links, that's great, but it'll be through Amazon, not very expensive. So I hope that works. Give it a try. May solve the problems if you don't like the reading on the display panel itself.